Hey guys, assalamu alaikum. Yeah, and that's me, and that's a snapshot clip. I don't know why I put it there, but yes, I did. So today is a DIY time, and I paint this beautiful thing. As you can see, it turned out really pretty with those pink flowers. I'm in love with this thing. This is super easy, super quick, and yeah, I forget to put a little tiny steps in it, but otherwise don't worry about that. I cleared in, well, I recorded so what I did before, but yeah, it turned out really well, and not well, it turned out really pretty, girl, very pretty. So you can see that. So here we go. There's a gelatin, air candle holder, whatever you want to say, and yeah, let's start the show. So hey guys, I'm using this white color as a primer on my lantern candle holder thingy. So yes, I took this old beauty blender, I cut it in the half and make this shape out of it, and I forgot to film before the part before that. So yeah, I just used white, and then I applied gold, and then I'm using this copper brown color. So yeah, just going crazy with it, and tap, whatever shape you want. It will turn out really crazy pretty, I'm telling you. And then I just put these beautiful pink flowers on it, and on this top I just glue it with the help of a hot glue gun. So yeah, I'm planning to put artificial candles in it, but yeah, it will turn out really pretty. And now and then you will see by yourself, it looks really pretty in sunlight. So this is the really teeny tiny pretty DIY for you ladies out there, or men's too if you like. So yeah girl, this is it for this time. I will come back with another tutorial for you. Bye, have fun. I hope you will like it.